Hi guys, I will show you my torque converter which I'm using for installing these steel poles into a ground. So this pole is 160 centimeters long, and I made this attachment here. It's 32 millimeter socket here, and I'm driving it with a drill. So let's see how it goes to the ground. That easy. Very simple. So the ratio in this torque converter is 69:1. So it goes fairly easy. But anyway, you have to be careful. You won't burn your drill here. So I made this connection here for the steel rod here, which is against this birch here, because you need some support here, and I'm working here all alone, so it helps a lot. Here you can see one is already installed here. There will be two more in those corners, so I need to lift this toilet on the top of these steel poles. I will build a wooden frame here, maybe 2 by 6 is here, something like that. So I will put some new technology into the toilet, so I need to raise it up a little bit. So like that. Okay, now let's check out the height here. I got this laser here, so it's 33.5 or something, 34, 33.5. Can you see that red line here? I think it's good enough. It's close. It's as close as we can get. Yeah. So now I really need to cool down the drill. Just install the rest of the two poles here. So you can copy this idea, if you will. When I made this, I was thinking how the hell I can get enough torque into turning these poles here in the ground. So I found the answer here. Torque converter. Okay, take care now.